So I will now conclude this tutorial. So the take-home messages to remember from this tutorial are as follows. If you have some data on meshes or things that can be meshed, and if you want to extract, measure, and compare features of interest in a fast and robust manner, then topological data analysis can help. And for this, TTK is an easy-to-use, efficient, and versatile tool. As mentioned before, we support many analysis tasks and for many types of data, scalar, bivariate, uncertain, point cloud data, and time-varying data. As mentioned also in the tutorial, creating a new module for TTK is very easy, and the byproduct of that is that one can use TTK as a research platform. As a matter of fact, that was our initial motivation for developing TTK. We wanted to have a software platform within which it would be easy to implement and extend our research. In particular, before its public release, we have been using TTK internally for 2 years to produce our papers. And back then, 5 graduate students worked with it on a daily basis, and although they had C++ programming skills already, they had no background in user interfaces, rendering pipelines, or other graphical aspects. So TTK here was really helpful for them in the sense that they only had to focus on the topological aspects of their research without having to deal with all the peripheral aspects such as rendering or I/O. So for them, it was a big time saver to use TTK, and they happened to get very quickly up to speed and independent with TTK, and now it usually for a new student it roughly takes between 1 and 2 weeks to get independent with TTK. So we really encourage you to consider using TTK as your research platform, and if so, we'll be very happy to help you distribute your research code with TTK. Thanks to the Python API and the PowerView user interface, we've been using TTK for our teaching as well to produce figures for the lecture materials, but also for the hands-on sessions with the students. As I mentioned in the tutorial introduction, there seems to be some interest out there, especially in other fields of science such as chemistry, material sciences, or astrophysics, to name a few. There seems to be some interest for the topology toolkit, and I believe this is an opportunity for our research community to showcase the techniques and algorithms that we develop as a community and to show this technology to the rest of the world. And for this, TTK can be a nice receptacle for the research code of our research community. So again, I really invite you to consider using TTK as a research platform for that purpose. Finally, I'd like to remind that to be useful, TTK needs you. It needs its user and developer community. And here everybody can help and everybody's welcome for testing, for writing tutorials, for contributing to the code, and in short for everything. And again, for those of you who do research in data analysis and visualization, please consider using TTK as a research platform. We believe this will make your life easier and our community stronger. And with this, I'd like to conclude this tutorial. Thank you for watching it. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the contributors to TTK. And I also advertise the fact that we are currently recruiting a small group here at Sorbonne to work on TTK. So if you are interested, feel free to contact me. So again, thanks to all the TTK contributors, and thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye-bye.